So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. In this video, we will cover our mock test questions part 1 database management system. In this video, we will provide you questions and you have to answer it in 5 seconds. So, let's start our database management system question first. So, question first is which level of abstraction in DBMS deals with how data is physically stored? So, these are the options: logical level, view level, physical level, conceptual level. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, physical level. Now let's go to our question number 2. Which of the following SQL commands belongs to DDL? So these are the option: update, create, delete, select. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, create. Now let's go to our question number 3. The relation employee underscore ID name tab here 101 Ravi IT represents. So these are the option: a schema, an instance, a constraint, a key. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, an instance. Now let's go to our question number 4. In the table university underscore admissions, student underscore id, university admission underscore year, country, which is the most suitable primary key? So these are the option: student underscore id, university, country, student underscore name, comma, admission underscore year, student underscore id, comma, admission underscore year. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, student underscore ID, comma, university. Now let's go to our question number 5. Which operation in SQL is used to modify already existing records? So these are the option: update, alter, rename, select. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, update. Now let's go to our question number 6. A candidate key is, so these are the option: any attribute that can serve as a primary key, always a foreign key, any attribute with not null constant, an alternate name for super key. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, any attribute that can serve as a primary key. Now let's go to our question number 7. A relation is in one NF but not in two NFs when? So these are the option: it has transitive dependency, it has partial dependency, it has redundant tuples, it has multi-valued dependency. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, it has partial dependency. Now let's go to our question number 8. Consider the table: page, topic, camera, subject number. So which FD does not hold? So these are the option: page, comma, topic tends to camera, comma, subject number, camera tends to page, subject number tends to topic, subject number, comma, topic tends to camera, page. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, subject number, comma, topic tends to camera, page. Now let's go to our question number 9. Which is true about schema and instance? So these are the option: schema change frequently, instances rarely, instance is structure, schema is current data, schema defines structure, instance is current data, both are same. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, schema define structure, instance is current data. Now let's go to our question number 10. The SQL clause used to divide rows into groups based on column values is. So these are the option: where, group by, having, order by. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, group by. Now let's go to our question number 11. The command drop table student belongs to. So these are the option: DML, DDL, DCL, TCL. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, DDL. Now let's go to our question number 12. Which of the following is a property of primary key? So these are the option: allows null values, must be unique and not null, can be repeated, can be updated to null. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, must be unique and not null. Now let's go to our question number 13. The language used to query and update the database is, so these are the option: DDL, DML, TCL, VDL. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, DML. Now let's go to our question number 14. The SQL constant that ensures no duplicate values is. So these are the option: not null, primary key, unique, foreign key. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, unique. Now let's go to our question number 15. The view level of abstraction. So these are the option: hides storage details, describes physical storage, defines logical schema, defines user interaction. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, hides storage details. Now let's go to our question number 16. Which of the following is a foreign key? So these are the option: attribute, referencing, primary key of another relation, always a primary key in same relation, any unique attribute, candidate key. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, attribute referencing primary key of another relation. Now let's go to our question number 17. Which normal form eliminates partial dependencies? So these are the option: 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, BCNF. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, 2NF. Now let's go to our question number 18. Which SQL command is used to remove a relation completely? So these are the option: delete, drop, truncate, remove. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, drop. Now let's go to our question number 19. Consider create table order, order underscore ID, number primary key, product underscore ID number, quantity number, order underscore date. Insert into order values 100145 3 2024 615. Which statement is true? So these are the option: both are DML, both are DDL. First is DDL, second is DML. First is DCL, second is DDL. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. First is DDL, second is DML. Now let's go to our question number 20. Which of the following is an example of data instance? So these are the option: student, name, role, departure. B, 102, Asha, ECE, create table, student, all of the above. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, 102, Asha, ECE. Now let's go to our question number 21. A relation is in 3NF but not BCNF when. So these are the options. Every FD has a super key. A non-prime attribute determines a candidate key. There is multi-value dependency. It is free of redundancy. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. A non-prime attribute determines a candidate key. Now let's go to our question number 22. Which normal form removes transitive dependency? So these are the options: 2NF, 3NF, 1NF, BCNF. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, 3NF. Now let's go to our question number 23. Which SQL keyword is used to sort query result? So these are the options: group by, having, order by, distinct. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, order by. Now let's go to our question number 24, the conceptual level of DBMS. So these are the options: defines logical structure, defines physical storage, shows user views, handles indexing. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, defines logical structure. Now let's go to our question number 25. Which SQL command permanently removes all tuples from a relation but keeps its structures? So these are the options: drop, delete, truncate, alter. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, truncate. So thank you friends for watching our mock test question part 1, database management system. And now we will meet in next part. So thank you friends for watching our video.